Yes, country people, today is a special day where Anambra State government will arrange a popular native doctors in the state, Akwa Okuko Tiwaraki, Onye Eze Jesus, and the hit. As we see from what happened, we are already in court, and the people where government were arraigned today are already headed to the court. People will love them, friends and well-wishers are already in the court. Yes, we don't go inside courtroom where security men they lead the suspect to the courtroom. This one, live from Anambra State High Court here in Akwa. Yes. The suspect don't enter inside courtroom for the business of the day. We get many security. As we say, the suspects are already inside courtroom, waiting for the business of the day. Friends and well-wishers, loved ones are already here, waiting to hear what today's event will be like. This one there.